Alright, so we're looking at some Legos. These are the classic Legos. This little pack here has 790 pieces. Got ourselves a Lego table. Pretty cool. The table itself flips over so it's a flat surface on the other side.
There used to be a train track, but we got rid of it because it's more like a baby set type thing under.
Yeah, it had trains and tracks and other stuff on the other side. And this comes off and you can put all your Legos in there.
Like
Pretty cool.
we did.
Yep. I'll put a link in the description if I could find one. But this little Lego set here is pretty cool. Comes in a big Lego brick. Take this off here real quick. And inside, all kinds of packaged up Legos. And
they come in colored.
I think it's got instructions on how to build the stuff here. Pretty
But
cool.
we don't need those.
Yeah, he just wants to put stuff together and
Like build like a fortress like this.
I know, but look, I think they got a fortress. Isn't that a fortress right there?
No, that's too little to be a fortress.
Yeah, that's pretty cool looking though. Looks like it'd be a good fortress door.
Yeah. If they even have one in there, I will want that. I need
Really neat. Oh, look, it's got a QR code that takes you on. Oh, look at the instructions.
to like a .com or something.
Cool. All right, so we're gonna give it a shot. I mean, everybody knows what Legos are, so I don't really have to do a full review on Legos, but this was a pretty decent price for 790 pieces because Legos around here, if we go to find Legos, they charge you like $6 an ounce for Legos. Maybe a little bit less, but it's an outrageous price for used Legos.
And also, today, maybe it could be Christmas Day for you guys today, because that's what day it is for us, and Santa Claus brought me that.
Yep, Santa brought him some Legos. So we're gonna give him.
And when he came, he brought me this.
Oh, yep, more Legos, huh? Okay.
And it came with this.
Yep. All right, so Santa brought these for Christmas, and we're gonna go ahead and build a fortress.
We already. So this is like a pier part, but this is like the fortress.
Oh.
Nobody can get in. Only if you destroy the wall.
All right, so we're gonna wrap it up, and we're gonna give these a whirl. Oh, hold on. Let's look at the back of this. That's what it came with. Oh wow, look at all those pieces, man.
Oh my god. Count them all.
No, there's 790 pieces.
I do not think so.
Cool. All right, let's see if there's actually 790 pieces.
Oh no.
On to the next.